That is our country style potato bread. Coming in with another bowl here. And that's 8 eggs. Now to this, I'm gonna add some real maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons. Perfect. Now to this, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of pure cane sugar. Perfect. A full teaspoon of vanilla extract plus a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna put in a little bit of ground nutmeg. Yummy, wow, this is starting to smell good. A little bit of ginger, although this is totally optional. I just happen to like it this time of year. And we are gonna go in generously with our ground cinnamon. Beautiful. Watch out for those spices. Now I'm using 2% milk, but you can use whole milk or heavy cream, whatever you like. And I am adding in 2 full cups of that. And now we're just gonna get this whipped up. Y'all, this is such a fun and easy way to do this traditional breakfast. People love this. It's portion controlled. It's easy to just have a little bit without overeating this way. I think you're really, really going to like it. And this is gonna be a game changer how you do breakfast for a group from now on. All right, now that we've got this all well mixed and incorporated, I am just gonna pour this mixture right over our bread here. Look at that, yummy. Now I just got my gloves on to make this easier, but I am just gonna toss all of this delicious potato bread into our egg mixture here. And you can see it's breaking up a little bit, but don't worry about that. I had a few pieces I took out just to make sure we had room for everything. Looks good. All right, I'm just gonna grab some of our bread and egg mixture, and I'm just gonna ball this up just like that. This one's maybe a little too big. And we're gonna start placing this into our muffin tin here. Beautiful. Pretty soon we're gonna have a breakfast everyone will love. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop these in our oven at 350 for about 16 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we ended up cooking these for a little closer to like 20 or 25 minutes. Look how easily these are just popping out. Wow, what a delicious breakfast idea. I mean, and told you what, this is portion control, right? So you're not gonna overeat, which we're all doing during the holidays. All right, can't have French toast or French toast muffins without a little bit of powdered sugar. And it is winter, so it looks like a little bit of snow, so cute. And of course, we gotta use a little bit of our real maple syrup here. We got the real stuff, y'all, because it's the holidays. Alrighty, we're just gonna grab one of these and plate it up. We have a very special guest here, Dad. You wanna take a taste?
Of course. It's, ooh, nice and flaky.
Might be a little hot or a lot hot. You might have to blow on it.
Let's see.
Is it good?
Good.
Y'all, you heard it here first. You gotta try it.